Kalaagan, ako si Kalaagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Sugbo Pageantry All Access. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Sugbo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Sugbo. It's another pageant episode and another pageant king na naman ang machichikahan natin sa araw na to. Help me welcome Man of the World 2024 Philippines. We have Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Hi, Kenneth!
Miss.
Oh my, how are you?
It's very overwhelming.
Overwhelming, diba?
I'm back with a title.
Diba for our title? I interviewed you from a from another competition, from nationals, na nag-boarding question ka. Ngayon, Man of the World, Philippines. So, how was it? How was the experience so far during the competition before you are being crowned as the Man of the World Philippines 2024?
I think it's life-changing that the happenings today because there's a lot of changes, especially medyo busy na ngayon sa marami ng bagay na dapat projects bisihan, and also dapat nating mag-prepare for international round, and it's kind of a different round and it's more on extreme, so we also have to prepare on everything, especially on my Q&A and also my workout, my physique, and on improving it because that's something that I lack on my national pageant.
Oh, now I would like to ask, did you expect ba or does it come on your mind during the national na ito na, ako na to? Kasi when I was there during the coronation, I do believe siya na. So how about you, like during that day?
To be honest po, Miss Fritz, hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala na ako yung mananalo. Because top 20 pa lang, I have doubts po na makapasok ako sa top 20. But I only did pray always. Every time when I at backstage, I usually call my other like Hans and also Brent. I also call them out to pray. Dapat, sabi ko every time we go out, we pray and para to give us confidence ba. And I just did enjoy the show, and I think yun yung best way on winning pageant is just to enjoy the show and to continue to like parang just be yourself.
Just be yourself. Enjoy lang the competition. But what does it mean, or how do you define, rather, success?
For me, I think success for me is contentment, because I think when you are contented on everything that you have, you already is successful, because I think when you are contented, you are happy, and happiness is one of the greatest success in life.
Oh, I see. Now, Ganat, tanong ko na rin pagkatapos ng na-announce yung name mo, anong nangyari? So, can you tell us, kasi I was there, no? Anong nangyari sa'yo? Like, when you are being crowned as Mr. of Filipinas, Man of the World Philippines.
You were there.
You were there. Yun talaga, you were there. Yeah. We were there, diba? Shout out, a very good friend of mine, Q&A coach, Michelle Padayhag.
Yes.
Andun kami.
Yes, andun kayo, and I can't really explain what's happening there. I'm in a cloud nine.
As in.
Yes, because I don't really think that I will win on that night. I just pray na whatever it is, Lord, that's for me, and I deserve it, kung manalo man o matalo. Dahil I think I'll just accept whatever it is, because I think God has always a plan for me on whatever comes, and come what may, it's God's will for me.
Oh, you think that you will not win, but we think you will win, diba? Manifesting.
That's why I'm on a cloud nine, like for days I think,
Oo nga
diba?
eh. Kasi, and also,
Hindi
na
ko
you
pa
were, we saw you, you were crying,
Hindi
diba?
pa ma-sink in. I always cry. I call my best friend. What's happening?
Oo,
And,
diba? Oo. Ngayon, I just would like to ask, no? Kasi nowadays, one of the very important thing when it comes to pageant king and queens is the Q&A. Kumusta naman yung Q&A mo as your trainer? Kumusta? How did she train you? Kumusta?
About my Q&A trainer, since she knows where did I start. From the start, I really want to thank her, Miss Mitch, because she really helped me build my confidence and helped me on speaking, and that's something that I will bring on my international pageant. And so I think it's very helpful na andun si Miss Mitch during that time, because I always did listen to her, and she reminds me on everything that she taught me during my pageant. And so ngayon, we are start on training for the international round, and we're doing great on preparing.
I see, diba? Your Q&A coach, Michelle Padayhag, which is awarded lang, no?
Yes.
Hindi na siya pang local, international pa, taray! Pa-burger naman dyan. Okay, now, I would like to ask din, no? You will be representing the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay. What is the best thing about being a Filipino?
I think the best thing of being a Filipino is being a Filipino. A Filipino characteristics. I think we have a lot of good characteristics that made us good people. And I think that's being hospitable, being kind, being friendly, and being also resilient, that whatever comes, we are always remain happy, and we remain to put the smile on our faces, and that's something that will bring us to success and to have a brighter life in the future.
I see. Now also, what are your messages to those people who trusted you and who supported you?
I think my message to everyone, sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin since from the start na wala pa ako here, is always thank you. Thank you for always being there, for trusting me despite the things that I lack things that made me fall, but you are always being there for me, and you help me and you boost me on that whatever comes, you are there, and I'm very thankful for you guys, and continue to support me on my international pageant, and also on whatever it is, just be here with me.
Andyan naman kami palagi. But there's one person din na palaging nasa side mo.
Yes.
Oo. Kumusta naman as a handler si Sir Albert Katamko?
Sir Albert is, he is a total package manager.
Oh, total package.
Yes, because he really set everything na natulungan niya kami on everything that we do, especially sa mga kailangan namin. And I'm very grateful that Sir Albert is with me all the time, and
Siya talaga
siya talaga yung tumulong sa akin na from the start until ngayon na nandito na ako, and I'm very thankful for you, sir. Thank you so much for really helping me, because I wouldn't be here today without your help and without you, sir. And thank you so much for all of you who really helped me.
Oh, I see. Now, one last question before we proceed with the next segment. Let's spice it up.
Yes.
Ang tanong ko lang is, may nagpapatibok na ba again may nagpapatibok na ba sa puso ng Misters of Filipinas Man of the World 2024 Philippines?
Hoy.
Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal. Kompleto yun,
Sa
ha?
ngayon, wala pa siguro.
Mukhang kinakabahan ka!
Like, I have a crush on someone na gusto kong ligawan soon, but sa ngayon, focus na muna ako on preparing on my international pageant dahil medyo mabigat yung responsibility natin since it's we are representing the Philippines. So, yun, kailangan nating itodo yung preparation and
Yes.
also concentration para sa pageant natin. Dahil, let's go Philippines.
Yes, let's go. Kaya nga hindi ko pa siya sinasagot eh. Ano pala yun? Feeling nga ko naman mata.
So ngayon, wait.
So wait muna, kaya nga eh. Wait ka lang, kasi gusto ko siya
Let's reverse the question.
Ano?
May nagpapatibok na ba sa puso ni Miss Fritz?
Ay, bakit nanggaling sa akin? Yung sa akin, sasagutin ko pa. Ito lang yung masasabi ko sa lahat. On my vlogs or blogs, what you see is what you get.
Oy.
Ayun lang. Tama na yung etches na yan. Alright, before we proceed with our next segment, I would like to thank first our sponsor. I would like to personally thank Cebu Century Plaza Hotel. Thank you very much for the accommodation. Timplora Dermatologica for always making me fresh because I am Timplora Touch. And Desire by Salon Expert for making my hair beautiful. And also to my Quick Thoughts family, thank you very much. Now, let's lighten up, let's loosen up. Because our next segment is Jojowain o Trotropahin. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Jojowain o Trotropahin Miss Universe 2015 Pia Alonzo Works pa.
Oy, may jowa na yan. So, totropahin.
Jotropahin! Kasi may jowa na daw. Okay.
Respect. Everything is under.
Sige na nga. Okay. Miss Grand International Samantha Bernardo.
Uy.
Jojowain o Trotropahin?
Totropahin pa rin.
Trotropahin.
Yes.
Tapos yung standard ko Nako. Ito. Jojowain o Trotropahin Miss World Megan Yang.
Totropahin pa rin.
Uy, grabe! Totropahin? Ano ba yan? Bakit totropahin?
Tropa lahat.
Tropa lahat. Ay, ito. Jojowain o Trotropahin Miss Universe. Nakaman ka pag Miss Universe ang sabihin ka. Miss Universe. Catriona Gray.
Uy. I think, trotropahin pa rin.
Trotropahin.
I think kulang yung pictures mo.
Kulang nga. Kulang ba?
Ni Miss Universe.
Teka. Hindi. Kulang ba?
Kulang.
Jojowain o Trotropahin Miss International Queen 2018 or not forgotten Fritzilin.
Siyempre.
Jojowain o Trotropahin. Sagot!
Jojowain.
Ay! Just naman sa... Ay, naku, nakakaloka ka. Alright, tama na nga yan. Can you please invite our Lagan sa Cebu viewers where we can follow you, your social media platform, and how we can support you for the upcoming Man of the World 2024, and you will be representing the Philippines. Go ahead.
So, hi guys. You can follow me on my Instagram, Kenneth Vincent. I change it. So, also on my Facebook, Kenneth Kabungkal, and on my TikTok, Kenneth Vincent also. So, see you there.
Yes, and you will be representing the Philippines. Laban Pinas.
Yes,
diba?
Laban
Talaga namang
Pilipinas.
abangan namin yan. So, once again, makalagan our Men of the World Philippines 2024, we have Mr. Kenneth Kabungkal.
Thank you, Miss Grace.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you also for your help. Dahil, I think there's a good curse
Good
here.
curse talaga sa Lagan sa
Every time na pag
may interview.
dito sa Lagan sa Subo, I think mananalo talaga.
Ay! Naman talaga?
And sana,
May ganun?
sana ganun din sa ibang male, pageantero at pageantera.
Bait-bait talaga ni
Sana
Kenneth.
ganun
Yan
din.
talaga.
Thank you, Miss Fritz. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm very grateful for your existence.
No, it's no, it's an honor to have you here. Congratulations for winning and for bringing the crown here. No, for a man of the world, Philippines, and good luck for upcoming competition.
Thank
Talagang
you.
aabangan namin
Thank
yan.
you so
and
much.
surely we will be there. Kahit overnight lang kami doon. Basta punta kami doon.
Gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa...
Go ahead, please do. Go ahead.
Thank you for my sponsors, especially sa ngayon, Anytime Fitness, IDC, also sa Skin Doctors, sa Jojo Bargais, sa Envy, and there's a lot more sponsors. Thank you so much for your help, and dahil rin sa inyo, kayo din isa sa tumulong sa akin na nandito ako ngayon. So thank you so much, and let's do this. Let's do more better on the international stage.
Yes, and I would like to add on and thank you very much to Sir June Salud. Thank you very much for always trusting Lagan sa Subo, for having
Thank you, Sir
this
June.
gentleman guesting here at Lagan sa Subo. And again, for the very last time, once again, our man of the world, Philippines 2024, Mr. Kenneth Cabungcal. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Lagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Lagan sa Subo. You may also follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz, nagsasabi, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Subo,
Pageantry All Access.